Gary Gensler says, "We will destroy Ripple XRP and its cryptocurrency." The lawyer of the CEO of Ripple has submitted an application to resign from the position of the company's lawyer. Today, we will tell you why he did it. You can see the current price of XRP on your screens with a daily trading volume of $648,452,340 used. XRP has declined by 3.2 in the last 24 hours. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Please watch this video to the end, like it, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. Also in this video, we will show the lucky winner of Give away free 500 XRP, and maybe it will be you, so watch the video carefully until the end. According to the theory of technical analysis, it is believed that the triangle is a trend continuation figure. However, given that this is a descending triangle, not an ascending one, we can conclude that the probability of the continuation of the uptrend is not very high. If XRP breaks through the red line, then the price is likely to go up again. At the same time, the first target will be the level of 28 cents, the previous peak from August 23. The second target is the 33 cents level, the top of June 20. The final goal will be the 42 cents mark, which was reached on May 17. At the moment, there has not been a real breakthrough of the red resistance line yet, and therefore it may be necessary to refrain from buying. Only on a real breakdown of the resistance will the purchase transactions be justified. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) believes that the existing rules are suitable for cryptocurrencies. Gary Gensler, chairman of the SEC, argues that the crypto community needs to ensure that companies comply with existing securities laws. The collapse of the FTX exchange has prompted urgent calls in Washington to pass legislation to curb the digital asset industry. Two ex-managers of the FTX cryptocurrency exchange have pleaded guilty to several criminal charges and are cooperating with the federal prosecutor's office. Gary Wang, co-founder of FTX, and Caroline Ellison, CEO of the Alameda Research Hedge Fund, have pleaded guilty to multiple counts of conspiracy and fraud for their involvement in a fraud scheme that led to the bankruptcy of the exchange. In addition, on Wednesday evening, the Securities and Exchange Commission charged the couple with civil fraud. Sam Bankman-Fried, SF, was charged by the U.S. Prosecutor's Office with 8 criminal offenses. In addition, he was sued by the CFC and the SEC. Gary Gensler argues that the pending charges against the FTX exchange serve as an example for the community regarding the need to conduct transactions in accordance with existing securities laws. The collapse of the bankrupt FTX exchange, founded by Sam Bankman-Fried, is a warning to issuers of cryptocurrencies and exchanges not registered with the SEC. Gensler believes that these firms may soon face enforcement measures. The collapse of the platform marked the beginning of a series of investigations by the Department of Justice and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which focused on the exchange channeling funds to Alameda Research, another business co-founded by Gary Gensler, said, "Financial history tells you that most of these tokens, native tokens of crypto exchanges, will fail. Will's insiders are selling the idea to the public, while they are potentially fraudulently pumping up stocks. This leads to distorted incentives and exposes the public to an even greater risk that the token will not be properly registered and will not be properly disclosed, as well as will not comply with various provisions of the securities law on combating fraud and manipulation." The chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission stated that he supports legislation regulating cryptocurrency sectors such as stablecoins. The U.S. securities law is robust and covers most of the activities in the crypto ecosystem, not limited to tokens, but especially including intermediaries in cryptocurrency securities. Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin, and the architect of the new digital economy, knew about Ripple 13 years ago, in 2009. This was discussed in a video by Crypto Airy, a well-known blogger in the XRP community. Someone thought I was crazy and asked, "Yike comments, how in the world Satoshi could have talked about a pay-enge Ripple in 2009? Please research Ryan Fugger and Ripple Pay." This opinion was confirmed by Ripple's technical director, David Schwartz. Yeah, Ryan Fugger didn't have the technology to create decentralized assets, so instead he built a decentralized system consisting of multiple centralized assets that could interact. Ripple as a decentralized payment system was invented by Fugger back in 2004 and was called Ripple Pay. Over time, Fugger passed the concept on to Chris Larson and Jed McCaleb, but that's another story. According to Schwartz, Ryan Fugger at that time did not have the technology to create decentralized assets, so he built a peer system consisting of interacting centralized assets. Cardano co-founder and former Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, despite his promise to stop discussing XRP, nevertheless regularly continues to participate in Twitter battles with the XRP army, allowing himself all sorts of statements in the direction of the cryptocurrency and its community. Ripple David Schwartz apparently couldn't stand it and recommended Charles Hoskinson to take a time out after reading his comments about the Ripple community and the XRP token, where he called the community toxic and the XRP token having no technical value. You can wait a few days, reread this tweet, and think if you are sure that this is the combination of things you really want to say. The co-founder of Cardano believes that XRP Army is toxic, and expressed a desire to distance himself from toxicity. The confrontation began back in September after Hoskinson stated that the XRP community tried to invent a great conspiracy of blatant corruption between SEX and Ethereum insiders, for which he was criticized by the XRP community. And after Hoskinson shared his belief that Ripple would settle the lawsuit with the U.S. financial regulator on December 15, the community erupted in criticism and called the Cardano co-founder a liar. Hoskinson believes that the XRP community ridiculed him for rejecting their conspiracy theories related to the case, and states that the XRP army is ready to viciously attack a person who, frankly, did not attack them. Hoskinson tweeted, "There is no point in inviting toxicity into your life. It's insulting and pointless. Even saying this now, you can hear mocking children's memes. Life is too short. Go ahead and cut it out. XRP does not provide partnership or technical advantages. The community is toxic and petty. I can live without it." The year 2022 became difficult for the cryptocurrency ecosystem when the leading cryptocurrencies fell significantly in price compared to last year. The price of XRP brought 58.7 losses to holders year on year. For Cardano holders, the annual return is minus 78.8. One of the factors influencing the decline in the price of XRP is a lawsuit filed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission against the payment giant Ripple. As 2022 comes to an end, experts believe that the SEC lawsuit against Ripple will end with a positive outcome for the payment giant in the first half of 2023. Such an outcome could provoke bullish sentiment among XRP holders and push the altcoin price higher. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.